Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste with Shahi. And today in this video we are going to see Tawa prawns fry. Come, let's start the video. For that, first I have kept one pan. In that I am going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. After oil gets heats, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame in low. And then 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, same and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add the spices and mix together and saute for a minute till the raw smell goes. Don't keep the flame in high. It should be in a low flame. Add required amount of salt. And then add clean prawns. I have cleaned and washed these prawns and kept aside. After the water drained, I have added the prawns. Mix it well. No need to add the water. It itself leaves the water. After adding the prawns, keep the flame high so that it releases the water. You can see the prawns are releasing the waters. I did not even add the water. The prawns itself it's releasing the water, and now I am closing the lid and cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes in a high flame itself. And now, without closing the lid, I am going to cook these prawns so that the water should be absorbed by itself. So in a high flame I have cooked, and now the water is absorbed. I am going to do the next procedure. After the water absorbs, take it out and keep the another pan, and in the another pan I am going to add some oil. And for the best you can use tawa also, but here I am using the pan. If you cooked in tawa, the taste will be extraordinary, even better the taste. But for a safer side I have used here a pan. After adding oil, I have added just a small 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then I am going to add on the eggs on here. As soon as you have added the eggs, keep on stirring. The egg should get scrambled well. Sorry for the lighting effects. And now I am scrambling here well. At this stage, after your scrambling, add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then here one big size onion, I have sliced here a big size onion. If you are taking a small size onion, take 2 onions, and I have taken a big size onion, so I have taken one big slice onion and sliced here, and few curry leaves. After adding eggs and ginger garlic paste, you add one onion and a few curry leaves, and no need to be get roasted well the onions. If the color changes, that's more than enough. And after adding those things, add required amount of salt. Be conscious while adding the salt because you have added in the prawns too, so be conscious and add in here. And after adding salt, I'm going to add spices. I have added 1/4 spoon of chilli powder and 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, then 1/4 spoon of curry masala. After adding the spices, I'm cooking for a minute so that the raw smell goes from the spices. Mix together well. See, now here is, you can see here I have mixed well. The color changes. After mixing, adding the spices, mix well for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after mixing well, add the fried prawns here. No need to keep the flame low, keep the flame in high. And now toss well. As I said, if you prepare this in a tawa, the taste will be extraordinary. And for your safer side, you can use pan too. It goes well through for your ghee rice and then for chapatis and naans. Do try it, friends. That's it. Finally, I have added the coriander leaves. My tawa prawns fries are ready. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share your feedbacks in my comment box. Thank you for watching, friends. Bye. Take care.